If Warzone 3 keeps crashing on your PC, don't panic. There are several effective fixes that usually get things running smoothly without having to reinstall Windows or throw your keyboard across the room. First, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of crashes. NVIDIA users should open GeForce Experience to check for updates, while AMD users can use Adrenaline software. Install any available updates and restart your PC before trying the game again. Next, verify your game files. Corrupted or missing files often lead to crashes. On Steam, go to your library, right-click Warzone 3, select Properties Greater Than Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Battle.net, click the gear icon next to play and choose Scan and Repair. Let it complete before relaunching the game. Doing this ensures any damaged files are replaced, which often fixes crash issues without further troubleshooting. Clearing the shader cache is another useful step. Navigate to your Documents folder, open Call of Duty greater than players greater than cache, and delete everything inside. Don't worry, the game will rebuild it automatically next time you launch, and this can solve crashes during loading screens or after game updates. Overlays can also cause instability. Disable overlays from Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce, and Steam, and close unnecessary background apps like browsers, screen recorders, or any software consuming RAM or GPU power. These programs can interfere with Warzone 3 and trigger crashes if left running. If crashes continue, lower your in-game graphics settings. Running the game on ultra or max settings can overwhelm some systems, especially after updates, and lead to instability. You can also try disabling XMP in your BIOS if your RAM is unstable. XMP settings, while intended to boost memory performance, can sometimes cause crashes in games if your system can't handle the speeds. Finally, make sure your Windows system is fully updated, as missing patches can conflict with game files or drivers. Restart your PC after updates and test the game. Following all these steps, updating drivers, verifying files, clearing caches, disabling overlays, managing background apps, adjusting graphics, and ensuring Windows is up to date, usually resolves Warzone 3 crashes. By being methodical and patient, you can get your game running smoothly again without needing a complete reinstall or risking hardware issues. This approach not only stabilizes your current setup, but also helps prevent future crashes, ensuring smoother gameplay sessions and fewer frustrating interruptions.